Hello everyone, I'm Sarmad Latif, a senior researcher in water, climate, and AI, and I'm truly honored for being selected as a session chair for the 78th Geological Congress of Türkiye that will be held in Ankara on April 13, 2026. Our session is about new technologies and artificial intelligence applications in hydrogeology. The focus of this year's Congress is water, drought, climate change, and geology. This is the greatest Congress in Turkey, and it's the second largest Congress in Europe, with having more than 5,000 active participants, a strong academic and sectoral network, and the intersection of knowledge, experience, and innovation. Actually, it's not just a Congress, it's a center where ideas are met and collaborations are born. Our session will provide a dynamic platform for exploring cutting-edge tools and data-driven methodologies that are transforming the way we understand and manage groundwater systems. As we dive deeper into the complexities of hydrogeology, we are seeing exciting advancements driven by the integration of AI, machine learning, deep learning, and innovative technologies. The focus of our session will be groundbreaking studies that are using AI and big data to enhance groundwater management and sustainability. We will be looking at a variety of applications, from predicting groundwater level and quality to improving aquifer characterization, recharge estimation, and flood prediction. The integration of remote sensing, GIS technologies, sensor networks, and even digital twins will also be highlighted, because these tools are reshaping our approach to hydrogeology. By combining both physics-based and data-driven models, we can gain more accurate insights into groundwater systems and address emerging challenges. We will also keen to see the contribution on pollution risk mapping, early warning systems, and decision support frameworks, since these are vital to ensuring the resilience of water resources in the face of climate change and growing water scarcity. A major goal of this session is to foster interdisciplinary collaboration. We are bringing together hydrogeologists, data scientists, and even engineers from around the world to push the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. With AI and machine learning becoming integral to this field, our collective efforts will be key in addressing and advancing sustainable groundwater management practices. On a broader scale, I also look forward to discussing the emerging concept of global water bankruptcy. This is a critical challenge as it highlights the growing water scarcity and unsustainable water usage pattern around the world. We will also address how new technologies, including AI, can be used to prevent or to mitigate the impact of water bankruptcy, ensuring that groundwater resources are better managed and protected for the future generations. I'm excited for the meaningful discussion and collaborative efforts that will come out from our session. And I look forward to engaging with all of you in Ankara. Together, we will work towards smarter, more sustainable solutions for groundwater management. Thank you, and I hope to see you all at the Congress.